Hi, my name is Raymart Bilancero from BSMT Y2Y11. This is my video presentation. Regulation 7 of Annex 2 to the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ship deals with the prevention of pollution arising from an incident involving noxious liquid substances in bulk. This regulation set out guidelines and measures to prevent pollution in cases where incidents involving noxious liquid substances might occur during maritime transport. It includes provisions related to reporting incidents, taking necessary actions to minimize pollution, and notifying relevant authorities as required by international law. Compliance with this regulation is crucial for the safe environmentally responsible transportation of noxious liquids substances by ship. Thank you po.